Blackberry has I guess it's a full wrap. I guess RIP Blackberry, like fully, because I feel like we've made this clip before, RIP Blackberry, but then some company will buy the name and still be making hardware, or the software is still, like, I don't know.
Like, they're constantly selling patents, I feel
They
like.
had so many patents, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, this, according to the street, this is it. These are the legacy patents, $600 million. Monday marks the end of the line for BlackBerry's eponymous handset after the tech group sold its final legacy patents on the mobile device for $600 million, which is definitely not nothing. BlackBerry shares moved higher Monday after the tech group sold rights to the legacy patents that powered its eponymous mobile phone handset that once rivaled Apple's. The deal worth $600 million marks the close of a decade-long slide in relevance for the BlackBerry, which at one time held a commanding 43% share. Anything can happen. Anything can change. Change is the rule.
It's the only constant.
Global handset market was used as a verb as well as a noun by celebrities, business leaders, and politicians alike. You would give each other your PIN, your BlackBerry PIN, BlackBerry Messenger.
BBM.
Yeah. It was like, it was like all of these enormously successful messaging apps now that are that are not SMS. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
That was so early.
Like,
they had that.
And just knowing that it was like encrypted, it was private.
Crazy, man. There's such a lead, such a head start, and now a complete wrap. By the way, it's worth noting before you move on, you can see that their shares moved higher. It's definitely not RIP BlackBerry. I should just say it's the hardware. We're talking about the hardware here. As a software company,
don't short it.
And a security firm. That's where their focus has moved.
Yeah.
Just away from hardware. And I don't think any company is going to be making hardware with the BlackBerry brand going forward.